Honey,
What?
where is my super suit?
What?
Where is my super suit?
Put it away.
Where?
Why do you need to know?
I need it.
Don't you think about running away and doing no dare and do. We've been planning this dinner for 2 months.
The public is in danger.
My evening's in danger.
You tell me where my suit is, woman. We're talking about the greater good.
Greatest good? I am your wife. I am the greatest good.
Honey!
What?
Where's my super suit?
What?
Where is my super suit?